Here's how to fix if your screen is glitching on your iPhone. Now, the first thing that we'll do is we'll head into your settings here. And from the settings on your iPhone, this works on any iPhone, we're going to scroll down a little bit and tap on General. And now from here, we'll scroll down to the very bottom and you'll see the shutdown button. Just go through the process of shutting down your phone and restarting it. You'd be surprised how many times that fixes all kinds of issues on your phone. Now, after you've done that, if that doesn't help, let's go back to the very beginning here. And we'll scroll down because we're going to go to display and brightness right under the control center here. So just tap on that. And now let's scroll down because there's something that oftentimes will basically mess it up. You can see here true tone and brightness. You can see I'm going to turn off true tone here. And if you have anything else turned on in terms of like the night shift or the always on display, you might want to turn those all off. Essentially just reset the screen back to factory default. Now, the next thing we will do is we'll go back out here and we're going to choose accessibility right under general. From here, we're going to go to display and text size midway down. And on here, we're going to do a couple things as well. If you scroll down, if you have, say, color filters turned on, or there's anything else on, just turn that off. So if you have classic invert turned on, smart invert, anything like that, that can cause your iPhone screen to glitch out. So just turn those off, in addition to turn off auto brightness at the very bottom. So essentially, you can swipe down from the top right and manually control the brightness, and it won't automatically adjust it. Now, after you've gone through those steps, if it still is an issue, let's go back to the beginning of your settings here. We'll tap on General towards the bottom, and then Software Update. You'd be surprised how many times, again, a lot of times just fixing your phone through a software update and rebooting fixes all kinds of issues. So just restart your phone and update the software to the latest version. If you've gone through all these steps and you're still having issues, you might want to take your finger and manually press down on your screen and see if that fixes it. And you might also want to take the screen protector off to do this. What you're testing for is if there's a physical anomaly or a physical issue with your screen itself. If it does respond when you press down, if it fixes that screen glitching or something like that, most likely it's a physical issue with your screen. You're going to have to take it into an Apple store or an authorized retailer and just get that screen basically repaired or fixed or replaced, or at the very least, just have them plug it in and run some diagnostics on it.